Hey there, dog lovers. If you're planning a trip and want to take your furry friend along, you're in the right place. In this video, we're going to talk about some important tips and tricks for traveling with your dog. Section 1. Preparing for the trip. Before you hit the road, it's important to make sure you've taken care of a few things to ensure your dog is comfortable and safe. Here are some things to keep in mind. Make sure your dog's vaccinations are up to date. Pack all the essentials your dog will need, such as food, water, and any medication. Bring along your dog's favorite toys and bed to help them feel more at home. Plan out rest stops along the way to give your dog a chance to stretch their legs and go potty. Section 2. Traveling by car. If you're planning on taking a road trip with your furry friend, here are some tips to make the ride as comfortable as possible for your dog. Use a safety harness or crate to keep your dog secure while driving. Keep your dog's head inside the car to prevent them from getting injured by flying debris. Bring along plenty of water and stop frequently for potty breaks and exercise. Keep the car well ventilated to prevent your dog from getting too hot or cold. Section 3. Traveling by air. If you're planning on flying with your dog, there are a few things to keep in mind to make the experience as stress-free as possible for your pup. Make sure your dog's crate meets airline regulations. Book a direct flight if possible to minimize the amount of time your dog will spend in their crate. Familiarize your dog with their crate before the trip to help reduce anxiety. Avoid feeding your dog a large meal before the flight to prevent motion sickness. Section 4. Accommodations. When it comes to finding a place to stay with your dog, it's important to do some research to make sure the accommodations are dog-friendly. Here are some things to consider. Look for hotels that allow dogs and check their policies regarding pet fees and restrictions. Consider booking a vacation rental, as they are often more dog-friendly and offer more space for your dog to roam. Check to see if there are any nearby dog parks or walking trails to keep your pup active during the trip. Section 5. Dealing with emergencies on the road. While we hope you'll have a smooth and uneventful trip, it's important to be prepared for emergencies just in case. In this section, we'll go over some tips on what to do in case of an emergency. Pack a first aid kit. Make sure you have a first aid kit specifically for your dog that includes items such as gauze, adhesive tape, antiseptic wipes, and a pair of scissors. Know the location of the nearest emergency vet. Before you hit the road, research the nearest 24-hour emergency vet clinic along your route, so you know exactly where to go in case of an emergency. Keep a copy of your dog's medical records with you. If your dog needs to see a vet while you're traveling, having your dog's medical records can help the vet diagnose and treat your dog more effectively. Keep a photo of your dog with you. In the event that your dog becomes lost, having a photo of your dog on hand can be incredibly helpful in getting him back. Stay calm. In the event of an emergency, it's important to stay calm and focused so that you can make the best decisions for your dog's health and safety. That's it for our tips on traveling with your dog. We hope you found this video helpful and that you and your furry friend have an amazing adventure together. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful, and subscribe to our channel for more dog-related content. Thanks for watching.